G'day guys, back at ya. So today, a little bit excited. Got our awning rafters delivered today. Just went in to Streaky Bay and picked them up. And so I'm gonna install them, but I'm gonna do something a little bit different. Everyone goes and puts, I mean, it's the right way to do it, I guess, but I'm just gonna do something different to see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna, instead of putting the anti-flap kit up at each end, I'm gonna put another rafter in at 100 mm in just to see if that works, rather than having to put the anti-flap kit up. Just because, well, for one, I don't want to be able to have to get up a ladder every time and put the anti-flap kit up and try and screw it because the van's so high. I'm a short ass. So I just want to be able to rafter, boom, straight up, clip it in. And then if I need to, I will get a little anti-flap kit, little the clamp things, and just do it at the end if I need to, but I don't think I will. So what I've done, I've just come in, marked it 100 mm in from the edge. This is how I'm doing it. Everyone else has done it different because they use the anti-flap kit, which I'm not. I'm just putting in an extra rafter instead of the anti-flap kit, which is saving money. It's a bit cheaper, and to be honest with you, I think it's going to work fine. I don't think I need that big bulky, anti-flap kit up the end here. So yeah, so I'll just cut in 100 mm at the end. This is all new, experimental, so I don't know how, what the go is yet. So 100 mm in from the end, 20 mm down, and I've just evened them out over. I've got a 20 pretty big awning, so I'm putting 4 in, another one there, and again 100 mm in, 20 mm down, another one there. And then same up there, I've marked all my centers up there, 1, 2, 3, 4, marked all my centers, got everything ready to go, got my drills, got little pieces here for the awning, that's for up there, for the clip to clip into, and a bit of silicone, because I want to silicone all the holes up after I've drilled them and before I put them screws in. And then over here, got all my rafters ready to go, so I don't have the anti-flap kit, it's just rafters, which again I think is going to work fine. And this is just so much easier as well, just to carry around, to store. Those big anti-flap kits look pretty bulky and, yeah, bit of a pain in the ass. I like things, each their own, but yeah, this is how I want to do it and just see if it works. So I'm doing it to see if it works for you guys, and then if it works for us, well then I don't see why it can't work for you guys either. So yeah, let's get into it. So we'll drill a hole in. I'm going to start with the center ones first. I'll drill a hole into these ones here. I'm just going to pilot hole, pilot drill. It says also to use a 3/8 bit for that end, for this end, but I've gone just a little bit smaller, this drill bit, because the 3/8 bit just looked big and floppy, so I like nice and tight, nice tight fit. So yeah, so it doesn't clunk around at all, it doesn't make any sounds, like if it's rattling it's not going to go. So I'm just going to go a little bit smaller. I think it's a 9.13 mm bit. Go a little bit smaller, and if so, I can just ream it out a little bit if I need to. But yeah, let's get into it, and I'll drill these holes out and see how they go. We'll put this first one up, and then all from there on in, it's just rinse and repeat. So I'll try and do it whilst holding the camera for you guys. All right, so I don't want to slip here. That wind is blowing a fair bit, so I'll be able to zoom there. Try and zoom it in for you. All right, here we go. Trying to slip and hit the awning. All right, that's that hole. Now just swap the bit over to this size, to that 9.13. I think it's 2364 or something like that. But you obviously just do whatever it says on the instructions. I'm doing it different because I like to be different. I like to mix it up, you know. All right, let's go. Drill down on that angle. All right, then I'll come here a little bit. All right, that's that hole done. Hope it's in the right spot. Nah, remember, always double measure. Always double measure. Don't just get in there and, you know, measure once, measure twice, always. Trust me. You can stuff it pretty good. But anyway, let's do this one up here now. So I've just got a center mark up here. These ones. So I'll put this one in. I'll turn the camera off for a little bit because that's just going to be way too hard to try and do it whilst filming one hand. So this is a bit here. This is a bit there. So you're just going to remember, go your center. Don't go either, obviously. So I can just eyeball it, but for this camera use, it's 40 mil, so 20. That'll be my center. So we'll get up there now. I just need to find a drill bit, because you need to get a drill bit a bit smaller than that that's a bit big, to go up through there, 1/8. Yeah, 1/8 bit will work for these screws. So I'll use a 1/8 bit and then drill those holes out. And then I'll come back to you on that one. Alrighty. Righto, so I'm back. I've just marked it out. I've drilled a couple of holes. It does say come down 20 to 25 mil from the top, but yeah, I'm just going to go in that sail rail that I've got up there, just because I'm not going to go. It's more meat there for the screw to bite into. So it's a bit closer than 20 mil, I think, but it'll be fine. I've just checked it. So what I'm going to do is just fill this with a bit of goop in there, and just it'll help it stick as well. One there, and that's it. Just fill the holes. So now I'll put this other piece up. But I will have to jump off again, and I'll be back and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. So back at you. So I'll show you what I've just done now. Just screwed this fella up here. As I said, you go in center. What the marks are opposite onto the rail, sail rail, other track on the other side. Silicon behind those screws. That's it. That's it. So let's see the rafter. Wipe this bit of goop up. That's it. So let's have a look and see if this rafter fits. So I'll sit you over here. I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh, the scuzzy. So I'll sit it there. It's a bit hard when you're filming on your own. Hook it up. Stand her out. And look at that. Straight in. And that's her. So, try and get some zoom in. So, done. One rafter in. So yeah, it worked out pretty good. Locked in there nice. It comes down. Sorry about the screen, kids. Reality TV, guys. But yeah, I'm glad I did go a little bit smaller bit, because even that, I didn't even do any reaming, really, and that still is moving around in there. So yeah, that was a bit smaller than the 3/8 bit. I think, like I said, it was 34, 24, 60, I don't even know, it was 9.13 millimeters in size, that bit, and that's still a little bit flimsy. So yeah, yeah, that's a little trick there. So you don't have to go 3/8. Up to you again. You do how you want to do it. But yeah, all right. So rinse and repeat. I'll get them all in, and then we'll see how we look. But that's, yeah, already it's good already. I'm happy with that. And I think these N1s on the both sides without any flat kit is going to make a massive difference. So let's get these in. I'll come back with you. I'll get them all in, and then yeah, I'll show you what the end result is, and hopefully, yeah, it'll work for you too. We'll see you in a bit. Righto, guys. So back at ya. So I've just got all your rafters in. They all worked bloody actually beautiful. They're from Aussie Traveller. Got them on sale in the Boxing Day sales, a bit cheaper. So yeah, but just got these M1s in, and it's a bit breezy now. But mate, they are unreal. I'll just show you now. These are the N1s. So it's good. These M1s sort of crease, fold the end a little bit, so it just flaps down like that. So yeah, it pulls it in nice and tight. And yeah, that's what it looks like from the outside. Nice, very nice. Very nice. I'm very happy with that. No flap there. It's good. I'm glad I went with just the four end rafters as well, not the anti-flap. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated with it. But yeah, it seems to be working pretty good. Seems to be working pretty good. So that shouldn't flap much at all. So yeah, I think you're going to get away with not having to put that anti-flap kit on, and just put an extra raft in at each end, and it's a lot cheaper as well, rather than the anti-flap kit. And like I said, yeah, it's a lot easier. They're a lot easier just to clip up, put in, boom, each side. I just wanted it for ease as well, rather than trying to jump up and down on ladders and that. Like, no, I just didn't want to do that. So just easiest to clip up, boom, straight down, and then especially when I'm packing up, easier, just undo that, taken down, boom, 2 seconds. But that's it. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Do another, or I'll wait for a nice windy day, and then I'll pull the awning out and see how it goes. And yeah, hopefully it works. Like, it is a bit windy now, as you can see, and it's not even moving. So yeah, we'll just wait and see anyway. But I think that's a game changer. I think that yeah, that last two rafters in each end, 100 mil in from each end, I think it's going to make a massive difference, rather than just having to put that other anti-flap kit up. So we'll see how it goes, and yeah, keep you updated. You might see me after a windy day and it's all torn and flipped over the roof, but we'll see how it is. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a bit, and you've probably already seen 1,000 of them. So yeah, if you can, please jump on, subscribe to all aboard our channel, and helps us out a lot. There's a few more things coming up. I want to put a cavity slider, fit a cavity slider to the inside of our caravan. I'll show you guys how to do that. Yeah, because we've got a concertina door in the moment, and it just rattled loose just from all the corrie and stuff like that. So I just want to put a nice solid internal door in there, cavity slider, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So yeah, please jump on, subscribe, and hopefully it was all informative for you. And yeah, we'll see how these end rafters go. Got to be different. No worries. Over and out. Catch you guys. So guys, just a quick update. So just come out in the morning and it's bloody blowing pretty hard. Big gust coming through. So I just want to show you quickly the system I did, how I explained it to you, and mate, it's working fine. No flap or anything, so I'm very happy. Like, flap at all. And you can see, you can hear that wind coming through. It's pretty strong gusts. So all in all, yeah, I'm happy. So yeah, that extra rafter at the end without the anti-flap kit. Whoa, that's how windy it is. And it's not even flapping. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Definitely happy with that. So there you go. Without the anti-flap kit, just put an extra rafter in each end. It does work. So yeah, I hope that's helpful for you guys. Up to you if you guys want to do it or not. But yeah, just easier for myself, and yeah, enjoy. Over and out.